Effective 1 December 2021, fully vaccinated nationals of non-visa required countries under Executive Order number 408, Series of 1960, as amended, shall be allowed to enter the Philippines until 15 December 2021, subject to the following conditions. Una, holders of passports valid for at least 6 months at the time of arrival and with a return or outbound ticket to their country of origin or next country of destination. Pangalawa, prior to arrival in the Philippines, the foreign national should have stayed exclusively in green list countries, territories, or jurisdictions for 14 days. Pangatlo, they must have the following proofs of COVID-19 vaccination recognized under existing IATF regulations. Number one, World Health Organization International Certificates of Vaccination and Prophylaxis. Number two, VaxCert-PH, or number three, National State Digital Certificate of the Foreign Government which has accepted VaxCert-PH under a reciprocal arrangement unless otherwise permitted by the IATF. In this regard, the following testing and quarantine protocols shall be observed in all ports of entry. First, a negative RT-PCR test shall be required to be taken within 72 hours prior to departure from the country of origin. Upon arrival, no facility-based quarantine and no on-arrival RT-PCR test will be further required, but the passenger is enjoined to self-monitor for any symptoms until the 14th day, with the first day being the date of arrival. Second, travelers merely transiting through non-green list countries, territories, or jurisdictions shall not be deemed as having come from or having been to said countries, territories, or jurisdictions if they stayed in the airport the whole time and were not cleared for such entry into such countries, territories, or jurisdictions by its immigration authorities. Third, the testing and quarantine protocols of minors shall follow the testing and quarantine protocols of the parent or guardian traveling with them, regardless of the minor's vaccination status and country of origin. Fourth, for those vaccinated but failed to comply with the above test before travel requirements, they shall be governed by the protocols for unvaccinated individuals coming from green list countries, territories, or jurisdictions, such that they shall be required to undergo facility-based quarantine until the release of a negative RT-PCR test taken on the 5th day. They will also be required to self-monitor until the 14th day of arrival, with the date of arrival being the first day. Fifth, for your guidance, the list of non-visa required countries under Executive Order number 408, Series of 1960 as amended may be found at the DFA official website.